welcome to tutorial part 4, where we will be doing the design with foil. So while the top layer is still sticky, you're going to stick the foil on. You could use whatever foil you want. You have to make sure it's the nail foil. You dab it. It wasn't sticking too well on some of the nails, but I got the job done. Just take your time, have patience. We use 2 colors, so whenever you think it's enough, that's when it's enough for you. You can also get a special nail foil gel top coat. I would use a regular gel top coat, but make sure it's the sticky one. The green was working a little better than the pink one. So you mix it up all over the nail. Once again, as much or as little as you want. Surface where we put the polish for the design. I use the alcohol swab wrapper. Go on to the next video and the tutorial how to do little flower designs with the dotting tool.